There's a reason butter chicken is India's favourite curry. It's mild, velvety and creamy, but got layers of flavours. At the Spice Tailor, we really put flavour first. So when you cook this at home, you get this really authentic, really delicious, all-natural curry that you bring together in just 10 minutes. Butter chicken is very typically done with grilled chicken and the sauce that's made separately. You kind of marinate your chicken, you grill it, then you make the sauce, kind of cook up some fresh spices, some ginger and garlic, and then you add the chicken. Let this simmer a couple of minutes for all the flavours to come together. Smells are really delicious. And lastly, a little swirl of cream, and that is the perfect restaurant butter chicken. Cooking this way gives you a really authentic dish, but it's still so quick and easy.